Hey guys, what's up? It's Tim with Jungle Box, and we are here in our greenhouse. And I wanted to show you guys, we got a really cool shipment in from Indonesia, and wanted to kind of walk you guys through some of the cool slash difficult steps we have to go through to get some of these really cool exotic plants into your hands. So one of the things we have to do when we order plants from overseas is we have to get our import license and we have to have them inspected. So the plants fly all the way from Indonesia to the Nogales, Arizona Inspection Center, where we drive all the way down there to pick them up once they've been cleared by the USDA for health and pest inspection. So then we bring the box back here and we unpack it like Christmas morning here in the greenhouse and get this stuff planted up. So here's our box. What we have here today is beautiful plants. So this is Monstera stanleyana albo, and this is a group of about 10 or 11 plants. We'll break this open, give them a good soak, give them a good drink, plant them up, and wait probably about 30 to 60 days for them to root in, start putting out new growth, and then we bring them into the shop. So these guys will hopefully be available for sale in the beginning of August. We'll see what else we got in here. So we got another cluster here of Philodendron Florida Ghost. Obviously the new certain leaves will come out white. These guys get a little banged up in shipping. It's pretty normal. These look pretty good as far as imports go. Again, we'll break this open, give them a good drink, and we'll plant these guys up for you. What else we got in here today? Tell you what, it's like Christmas. Check these out. So these are beautiful, beautiful philodendron painted ladies. One of the keys to importing plants is to get them as quickly as you can. You don't want them sitting in a hot mail truck. You don't want them sitting around for weeks in a dark box. So we really go through as much as we can to get these plants in our hands as soon as possible. These guys feel like they've got nice moisture in them. They're not too desiccated, which means that they'll root out. They'll have enough time to stay healthy in the greenhouse. They won't crash as hard, and they'll put out some new growth, and then we'll get them in the shop. We really hope to have all these plants for you guys ready at the beginning of August. That's also going to be our 1-year anniversary at our new location at 1735 East Mcdowell Road. So keep an eye on our social media, our Instagram, and all that fun stuff. We're going to have a 1-year party, and we'll hopefully have all these plants there ready for you guys to enjoy and get your hands on. Again, this is Tim with Jungle Box. See you soon.